What's going on, everybody? Haven't made an EV video in a while, so I'm gonna do one. And I thought it'd be cool to kind of explain how electric vehicles work when you're going on like a long distance drive. So yeah, so basically, if you don't know this already, the EV or the Chevy Bolt gets about 250 miles on a full battery, which isn't the greatest, but it can be done. You just have to figure out what chargers are in your area. So if you have ChargePoint or EVgo or Tesla or whatever your car is, then you're going to want to download the app for those companies, because that's how you get access to them. So download the apps, make an account, set up your credit card information, and you're ready to go. So what we're going to do now is drive to a charger. This one's actually a free charger, so there's a bunch of different kinds out there. There's free chargers, there's chargers that cost money, and they're all different. So the ones that cost money usually give you great power, like good charge miles per hour or whatever. I think it's like 40 miles every 10 minutes for the supercharger, and then for like the free ones it's like 15 miles every hour. So it's not the greatest for the free ones, but it's free. So we're gonna go to a free one just because it's close by, and I'm gonna show you how it works when you get up to them. And yeah, let's go. Alright, it says we have chargers in the front and in the back. I want to go in the back. I like the back, I like hiding. Alright, this is the part where I have to stop recording because I need to use my phone to turn the app on to charge the car, so let's do that. Alright, so I had to shut my phone off because I have to use the phone to touch it up to the charger to unlock the charger to then like let it all make connection with my phone, and now we're charging. This is the slow charger, like I said, so it'll be completed by tomorrow at 8:45 p.m. So it's quite some time. Oh no, not tomorrow. Tonight by 8:45 p.m. So that's not too bad, but still, it's free. I'm at a hotel, so if I needed to, I could walk in there, get some water, vending machine, whatever. Yeah, I mean, you could walk around, go on a nice hike, get some food, use the bathroom, and then within like 2 hours or 3 hours, you got, 60 miles. Because this one doesn't charge as fast as the other ones because it's free. But if you set a route, and let's say you have 250 miles in your car, and your route is a total of 350 miles, so you're obviously going to need to charge once or twice. So you're going to want to open up your app, find on your route as many chargers as you can. You're going to want to find the superchargers first, because those are the ones that you need. And if you're like, coming close to the end of your miles there, and you're feeling sketchy, like you might not make it to the charge station, because that happens when you drive on the freeway. If you drive on the freeway, your miles go down, so there's a big chance that you might not make it. So what you need to do is make sure that there's other chargers within the route. So other than that, it's not too hard. You just got to plan your route out, have the app, connect your card to the account, you're good to go. I mean, it's really easy. There's so many chargers out there. I live in Michigan. The top 3 is ChargePoint, EVgo, and Tesla. And I use ChargePoint. That's the only one I've ever needed. But yeah, I mean, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's pretty much it. You just have to plan your route, find the chargers, and more are going to be popping up. So like long distance charging will be so much easier, or long distance driving, I guess, will be so much easier. Eventually there'll be more superchargers, and yeah. And this is also, if you don't have a charger at your own home, this is also a way for you to get, your car charged. If you don't have your own charger at home, you can find these free stations and you can charge your car. I mean, yeah, it might take 4 hours to get a decent amount of miles, but it's free. So, if you're the kind of person who enjoys walking around, doing things, walking around the town, then this is perfect for you. So, yep, that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.